Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and feel steady on your feet. Reach your arms up and stretch your body. Open wide like a big star. Lift halfway and make your back long. Push your hips back and stretch. Lift one leg up and stay strong. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Step forward and bend your front knee. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Be strong like a warrior. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch your arms wide and look forward. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lean back and stretch your side. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Reach over your head and stay low. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit back like you're on a chair. Balance like a strong tree. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stay strong on your hands and knees. Lower your chest and stretch forward. Rest your body here. Sit tall and open your legs. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.